What's going on, YouTube? So, CYBERPOWERPC here. This is the Gamer Extreme. The computer link will be in the description. Right now we're adding some extra fans. So we got one installed already. And let me swing around here to show you how it looks. It's just a multi-color fan. So right now I am just working on a placement for it. Not 100% sure where I want to go with it. As I am installing too. So we got one fan there. So this fan I previously installed. It's a USB fan, so I can manually turn that fan, the black one, on and off. So I mounted this one on here. This is going to be a permanent fan that always runs. So I just simply mount it on here, and when I game I turn on the USB fan and these two fans on the side. So this is just going to speed up both of the fans. So time to remount it inside. There we go. And now it's cold as ice from top to bottom. This is just some random installations, guys. Not super professional. Just, you know what? That's what a gaming computer is. You can do whatever you want with it. It's almost cold enough in here that during the summertime I might live inside here. Time to tuck away all the fun cords. By the way, this is my hard drive setup. Check this out. I got all these hard drives mounted on top. We got this one's not mounted yet, but we got a CD drive here. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hard drives all mounted. Just for easy access. And so they don't go anywhere when I move the computer around. They won't go flying off. This is the life of a true gamer, and this is the life of a true YouTuber. And we still got all that room to do whatever we want, and a whole lot more room than what you guys can see as well. This is the Life of Scott's custom computer.